Hey everyone, I hope you are doing amazing. In this video, I'm just going to explain you exactly what we do and how we are able to scale and grow a lot of clients that are working with us. So if you're an Amazon brand or an Amazon seller who really want to outsource your entire advertisement and growth to somebody like an agency with us, then this video will actually give you a really good idea about some of the case studies that we have been able to produce for our clients, and literally that's the real sellers and real success. So we believe that you who's watching right now should be the hero of your own story, and with us you will definitely be. Take a moment to read some of the success stories of real sellers who we have helped just like you. All right. So this is the first case study where we optimize Amazon PPC advertising targeting with them, and also help them to update the entire listings with A+, and it really boosted their sales by 50% after working with us. The first case study that we are talking about is going to be about the category which is under pet supplies. And you can see before they started working with us in the month of December, they started working with us from the month of Jan. So in the month of December, they were doing around 16,000 with other agencies, and they were stuck at 16 lakhs for almost like more than a year right now. And once we started taking over the entire account, you can see in just few months, right, they were able to touch 24,73,000 from 16 lakhs to 24,73,000. And you can see the advertising cost in the terms of March was only 24% ACOS at 11 lakhs in 66,000 in sales. So just in the duration of 3 months, right? Just a duration of 3 months, they were able to increase their sales by almost 50%. They were doing 16 lakhs, and in 3 months they touched 24 lakhs. And their overall advertising spend, which they were spending, that reduced by 15%, right? That's the first case study in pet supplies. Now the second case study you can see is into the category called bags and wallets. Over here you can see in the month of March, they started onboarded with us, and in the month of Feb, they were doing like literally 1 crore plus. They were doing around 2 CR in Flipkart, but they were not able to scale on Amazon. And they were at 22 lakhs for months and years now. And they reached out to us and they really wanted to scale on Amazon. And we found really a big gap in their entire Amazon business, right from their SEO to PPC to their shipments to their entire understanding of how the account should grow. After 1 month of implementing the entire thing with them, and they being super cooperative and really doing the work that we told them, in just 1 month they went from 22,83,000 in the month of Feb to boom. You can see right now, before, when they were managing on their own, Feb, they were doing only spending 74,000, 9% ACOS. And in just 1 month, in the month of March, you can see they touched 52,72,000. And in the month of April, they're almost going to touch around 69 lakhs with us. So in the month of March, 52,72,000. And in ads, you can see the ACOS is the same. And the advertising sales grew by almost 18 lakhs. And you can see over here, the advertising sales were only 8 lakhs. And here, the advertisement took the entire sales up and it touched almost 18 lakhs. Now, in terms of spending, in the month of Jan, they were spending around 5% of their total sales. In the month of Feb, they were spending around 13.34%. And when they joined us in the month of March, they only spent 3% of their advertising sales, of their advertising spends on the sales, and they were able to achieve this mark. You can see the results in the duration of just 1 month. The total sales increased by 30 lakhs additional because of us, and 136% total sales jump in just 1 month. And their overall TACOS, which is the total advertising cost of sales, which is your spends divided by total sales, declined from 13.34% in Feb to 3.04% in March, as I just showed you, right? That is a phenomenal game. Case study number 3, health and personal care, right? This account got onboarded with us again in the month of March when we opened our gates for other sellers to join us, and we had some more spots that we could do it. So in the month of Feb, you can see 27,38,000 they were doing already in the month of Feb before they joined us. And you can see the advertising sales, they were spending almost 4,41,000. and 28% ACOS, right, in the month of Feb. And all they wanted to do with us was to grow their sales while maintaining the same spends or a little bit lower ACOS. In the month of March, in just 1 month, we helped them go from 27 lakhs to almost 33 lakhs, right? And their spends, you can see the ACOS reduced instead of increasing from 27. We brought it down to 25. And you can see the spends are also the same that they were spending. In the month of March, Feb, they were spending 4,41. Right now, with so much of increase, they only spent 30,000 rupees extra. You can see month-wise their ACOS and TACOs over here. So Jan month, is Feb month, they joined us. You can see 27 lakhs, 16% they were spending in the ads, and 27% was their ACOS. In the month of March, we helped them touch 36 lakhs in sales, and they were only spending 12%. That means 4% we were able to save for them. And the ACOS also lowered down to 25%. Here's the result, right? Just with 1 month of working with us, their total sales grew by 6 lakhs, 21% total sales jump, and their TACOs, which is total advertising cost of sales, that declined from 16% in Feb to 12% in March. And total ACOS declined from 28% in Feb to 25% in March. Case study number 4, right? Home and kitchen. You can see home and kitchen brand that we were working right now. They joined us in December, in the month of Jan. In December, they were doing 8,62,000 with just few products, and the advertisement were completely messed up. And boom, in the month of March, right, they touched 4.3 lakhs with us after doing 8 lakhs and then 4.3 lakhs. You can see in the month of March, you can see the advertising sales were really, really good. 9.7 coming from advertising and 24% ACOS with more than 100 SKUs. Just a result of 3 months, their total sales increased by 6 lakhs in additional to what they were doing before, and 75% total sales jump once they started working with us, from 8 to now 14, and now they are about to touch almost 18 lakhs this month in April. Case study number 5, which is my final case study category, you can see is clothing. They were doing 58 lakhs in the month of Jan when they joined us. And the goal with them was to keep the spends same, the tacos same, and try to increase the sales. And it was one of the phenomenal businesses that we have worked with. Very, very prompt business, amazing team. Jan 2023, you can see 58 lakh 53,000. Boom, in the month of March, we helped them touch 77 lakh 81,000. And you can see the advertising spends were very, very low, 1.85. And the ACOS was only 17.66%. Amazing results. So the result of 3 months, total increase in the sales was around 19 lakhs, additional 33% total sales jump. ACOS was around 18, and the total advertising spend was only 2.3%. That means if we just spent 2.3% in advertising to the total sales and got them almost 19 lakhs in additional sales. Last and the final case study, watches. You can see before sales in November 2022, they were doing 16 lakh 20,000 and when they joined us. And the moment they joined us, they went out of stock in the month of January. And in the March, everything got sorted back. So they went from 16 lakhs to 18 lakhs with us, and their advertising spends also reduced. And the month of March, they touched 18 lakh 91% ACOS at 8.75% sales. And boom, just in terms of 5 months, out of being out of stock, in stock issues, they were able to increase their sales by 2 lakh 53,000 in additional, and 15% total sales jump. Their ACOS was 18% as of March, and in tacos, they are almost touching 8.77%. So these are some of the results that we have produced. We have much more case studies, but I don't want to go through everything. So do you really want us to help you manage your Amazon growth? If you really want to scale your Amazon business and you're looking for outsourcing to some agency and you really want our help, then what you can do is we are opening up 2 more slots for our agency, and we really want to work with someone who really is passionate about the business. And if you really want to work with us, what I would like to do is just book a call with us, right? You can go to amazon.viraljain.in/ads and you can book a call with me and my team, and we'll sit and we'll understand exactly how we can help you right? And we'll come up with the next action plan, which can literally help you go to the next level. Or what you can do is you can click the link somewhere in this video where you can click and then book a call with our team. And literally, if we can actually help you, we are happy to take you to the next level. Again, we are only open to working with 2 more brands, as we are completely full and we just have 2 slots open up. So hurry up. I don't know how long this is going to be for, and if you really want to work with us, just book a call, click the link somewhere in the video, or just visit this URL, and I'm happy to hop on a call with you and see if we can actually help you go to the next level. Bye bye and take care. I'll see you again. That's Viral Jain signing off. Advertising Saga. Bye bye.